Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you about a really delicious snack. They are by Good Thins. It's a Nabisco brands. They're made with real beets. They are crackers. This one is the beet one, balsamic vinegar and sea salt. So it's basically a healthier snack. Nabisco's been around forever. They're definitely a trusted brand that's been around for a long time. So these are enlarged to show detail, but these are what the little crackers look like. They're round, really yummy. Enlarged, of course, but they're a good size, fit in the palm of your hand. The goods, so they're made with no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, no cholesterol, no partially hydrogenated oils, and no high fructose corn syrup. They have 23 pieces in a serving. Made with the calorie count is 130 per serving, 0.5 grams of saturated fat, 3% daily value, 160 milligrams of sodium, 7% daily value, grams of total sugars. They are potato, beet, and wheat snacks, so already just knowing that, of course, they're healthier than most crackers and, of course, chips and other things. Weight is 3.75 ounces, 106 grams. Just flip over the box just to see. So this says Good Thins on the side, balsamic vinegar and sea salt. They're crunchy, yummy, have a really good flavor. Just the right amount of balsamic, not too overpowering. Nutrition facts, so about 3.5 servings per container. The serving size is 23 pieces, 30 grams. Calories 130, like it said on the front. Total fat 4 grams, 5% daily value. Saturated fat 0.5 grams, 3% daily value. 0 grams of trans fat, 1 gram of polyunsaturated fat, 2 grams of monounsaturated fat, 0 milligrams of cholesterol. Sodium 160 milligrams, 7% daily value. Total carbohydrate 22 grams, 8% daily value. Dietary fiber 2 grams, 7% daily value. Total sugars 3 grams. Includes less than 1 gram added sugars, 1%. That's probably just from the vinegar. Protein 2 grams. 0 grams vitamin D. 60 milligrams of calcium, 4% daily value. Iron 0.7 milligrams, 4% daily value. Potassium 330 milligrams, 8% daily value. Really important part right here, the ingredients: potato flour, beet powder, cornstarch, canola oil, enriched flour, wheat flour, niacin, reduced iron, thiamine mononitrate, vitamin B1, riboflavin, vitamin B2, folic acid, sugar, oat, fiber, leavening, calcium phosphate, and baking soda, dried balsamic vinegar, red wine vinegar, concentrated grape must, soy lectin, sea salts, onion powder, spice, natural flavor. Contains celery. Contains wheat and soy. Distributed by Mondelez Global LLC in East Hanover, New Jersey. And on the back here it says root for the beet, flavored with balsamic vinegar and sea salt. A baked snack with a delicious tangy twist. So it does have a nice, it's salty but not too salty, and has a nice tangy flavor with the balsamic. Kind of gives it something that's different from other snacks out there. And of course they're great for like lunchbox, put in your purse, in your office desk, keep in the car with you. You know, they're great for kids because it's got, you know, back when I was in school, like my mom used to pack potato chips, but like I think people are more health conscious now and there's more options to be health conscious. So these are definitely better for you. After school snack. I'm actually picking up my niece from school and I'm going to bring her some of these. I'm sure she's going to love them. She's 5, so they're like a healthy snack for her. And her mom will be happy that I'm giving her this and not like as something fried. So this is the bag that they come in, all sealed up. Just got to open it quick, you know, very easy to open it. Best when used by February 27th. 2019, so plenty of time to go through this box. I believe the color is all natural as well. The purplish. I think that's from the beets and the balsamic, and beets are really healthy for you too. And I don't usually like beets, so it's a good way to get it in there, eating it in a cracker rather than eating an actual beet. And thins actually come in a bunch of different other crackers. I'm going to make another video. I think I have a veggie one that's made with rice, and that should be healthy too. And then these are very like dippable. Like this is good in like a ranch, with a ranch dressing or spinach dip. Cheese, put cheese on top. Anything really, any kind of dip would be really good with this, or just good on its own. Yeah, so made with real beets, healthy snack and delicious. I love the tanginess of the balsamic. It's so good. If you guys like balsamic, you're gonna like these crackers, even if you don't really like beets, because like I said, I'm not a big beet person, but I love them in the crackers. So these are good thins, the beet one, balsamic vinegar and sea salt crackers. Hope you guys try it out, and I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching.